Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 2022 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all we have to do is to simply enter the dialer. And from this level, it doesn't really matter if we will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. As you can see right here on the fifth position, actually right in the middle of the list, we've got blocked numbers. So let's enter. And here we've got our blacklist, which is of course right now empty, but we can change it. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on add a number. And here we've got the section in which we can enter the number. So just do it and tap on block. And that's quite easy. As you can see, it immediately appears on the blacklist, which simply means that from now on you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number or any other numbers which will appear right here. What's more, we've got this option unknown. You can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher here, and it simply means that your device will be allowed to block the calls from all unidentified callers. So it may be quite useful in some situations. So you can of course turn it off the same way, and if you'd like to unblock the number, then just tap on this X button and confirm it. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your Motorola Razr 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.